Dinosaurs Extinction Event. The Cretaceous-Paleogene Extinction Event, also known as the Cretaceous-Tertiary Extinction, occurred approximately 66 million years ago. It led to the extinction of 3/4 of plant and animal species, including all non-avian dinosaurs and most tetrapods, over 25 kilograms. This marked the end of the Mesozoic era and initiated the Cenozoic era. The geologic record of this event is the KPG boundary, a sediment layer rich in iridium, a metal more common in asteroids. This discovery, along with the Chicxulub crater in the Gulf of Mexico, irrefutably supports the Alvarez hypothesis that a massive asteroid impact caused the extinction. The impact triggered an impact winter, acidified the oceans, and disrupted the climate. While volcanic activity and climate change are considered contributing factors, recent climate modeling unequivocally favors the asteroid impact. Despite the mass extinction, it allowed surviving species to undergo adaptive radiation and diversify into new forms, filling the ecological niches left vacant by the extinction. Cambrian Explosion. The Cambrian Explosion, also known as Cambrian radiation or diversification, refers to an absolutely amazing period in Earth's history approximately 538.8 million years ago, during the Cambrian period of the early Paleozoic era. This incredible era saw a sudden and amazing surge in the complexity of life forms, with nearly all major animal phyla making their dazzling debut in the fossil record. This incredible explosion spanned about 13 to 25 million years and led to the divergence of most modern metazoan phyla and a significant diversification in other groups of organisms. Prior to this period, life on Earth was mainly made up of simple, single-celled organisms, or small multicellular creatures, occasionally forming colonies. But then, something truly amazing happened. The rate of diversification soared during the Cambrian explosion, ushering in a complex variety of life forms that began to resemble those of today. Nearly all present-day animal phyla emerged during this time, including the earliest chordates, marking a pivotal moment in the evolution of life on our planet. Origin of the Moon. One of the most widely accepted explanations for the origin of the Moon is the giant impact hypothesis. This suggests that a Mars-sized body known as Theia may have struck the proto-Earth, creating a debris ring that eventually formed the Moon. It is thought that this collision also caused Earth's 23.5-degree axis tilt, which may have resulted in our seasons. It should be noted, however, that there are a number of different variations and alternative theories about the formation of the Moon. These include the possibility that the Moon may have been a captured body, a product of fission, or may have formed simultaneously with Earth. Another theory is that the Moon may have arisen from planetesimal collisions. Research into the Moon's formation continues, with new findings about its composition offering intriguing insights. For example, the Moon's oxygen isotopic ratios are nearly identical to Earth's, which is significant since these ratios provide a unique signature for each solar system body. It could be postulated that if Theia had been a distinct protoplanet, its isotopic signature would likely differ. Similarly, the Moon's titanium isotope ratio closely matches Earth's, which suggests that the Moon's material predominantly came from the proto-Earth rather than the colliding body. Stonehenge. Stonehenge, an absolutely incredible prehistoric marvel on Salisbury Plain in Wiltshire, England, stands 2 miles west of Amesbury. This incredible megalithic structure features an outer ring of towering sarsen stones, each about 13 feet tall, 7 feet wide, and weighing approximately 25 tons, crowned with connecting lintel stones. A smaller circle of blue stones lies within, surrounding freestanding trilithons, 2 massive sarsens supporting a single lintel, adding to the incredible beauty of this already magnificent structure. Amazingly, even though it's in a ruinous state, the monument still aligns with the summer solstice sunrise and winter solstice sunset. And it's not just Stonehenge that's surrounded by earthworks. Stonehenge is a British cultural icon, and one of the UK's most famous landmarks. It has been a protected monument since 1882. In 1986, it was added to UNESCO's World Heritage Sites. English Heritage manages Stonehenge, while the National Trust owns the surrounding land. The site was used as a burial ground from its inception around 3000 BC. Oak Island Mystery. The Oak Island Mystery is one of the most fascinating tales in history. It's a series of stories and legends about buried treasure and mysterious artifacts discovered on or near Oak Island in Nova Scotia. Since the 18th century, treasure hunters have been on a mission to uncover its secrets. The possibilities are endless. Some believe it might be pirate treasure, Shakespearean manuscripts, the Holy Grail, or even the Ark of the Covenant, which the Knights Templar are said to have buried there. Over the years, various items found on the island have been dated to be centuries old. While these artifacts are treasures in their own right, the excitement is building for the discovery of the significant main treasure. The site is marked by numerous digs by different individuals and groups, all seeking the elusive treasure. The original shaft, known as the Money Pit, was dug by early explorers, but its exact location remains unknown today, adding to the island's enduring allure and mystery. Stone spheres. The stone spheres of Costa Rica are an absolutely captivating collection of over 300 petrospheres found in the Diquis Delta and on Isla del Caño. Locally known as bolas de piedra, these incredible spheres are commonly attributed to the extinct Diquis culture, earning them the fitting name Diquis spheres. As the most renowned stone sculptures in the Isthmo-Colombian region, they are thought to have been placed in lines leading to the chief's houses, which is really exciting because it means we're getting closer to understanding their exact purpose. The Palmar Sur archaeological excavations have made some incredible discoveries. The team has uncovered fascinating artifacts dating back to the Aguas Buenas and Chiriquí periods at a site known as Finca 6. In June 2014, the pre-Columbian chiefdom settlements with stone spheres of the Diquis were added to the UNESCO World Heritage Sites list, marking a huge moment for Costa Rica and its incredible heritage. By July 2014, these amazing spheres were declared a national symbol of Costa Rica, a testament to their significance. Some archaeologists even hypothesize that the spheres might represent solar systems or symbolize different phases of the sun and moon, including sunsets, sunrises, and half-moons. What an incredible and inspiring theory! Earth's magnetic field. The Earth's magnetic field, or geomagnetic field, extends from the planet's interior out into space, interacting with the solar wind. This field is generated by electric currents resulting from the movement of molten iron and nickel in the outer core, driven by heat escaping the core, a process known as a geodynamo. The field's strength at Earth's surface varies from 25 to 65 MeT and is that of a magnetic dipole, tilted about 11 degrees from the planet's rotational axis. This is akin to a giant bar magnet at Earth's center. The magnetic poles are reversed. The north geomagnetic pole corresponds to the south magnetic pole and vice versa, causing compass needles to point toward the geographic north. The magnetic poles drift slowly but can abruptly reverse approximately every several 100,000 years. These reversals, recorded in rocks, assist paleomagnetists in studying continental and oceanic movements. The magnetosphere, which extends tens of thousands of kilometers into space, shields Earth from solar wind and cosmic rays, preserving our atmosphere and ozone layer. Loch Ness Monster. Have you heard of the Loch Ness Monster? Affectionately called Nessie, this legendary creature is said to dwell in Loch Ness, a large freshwater lake in the Scottish Highlands. Folklore says that Nessie is a big, long-necked creature with one or more humps sticking out of the water. It's a mysterious and intriguing creature. Since 1933, this fascinating creature has captured the hearts and minds of people all over the world, sparking curiosity and wonder. Many folks say they've seen Nessie. They've even shared photos and sonar readings as proof of its existence. However, the scientific community is still a bit skeptical. They think these sightings might be hoaxes, wishful thinking, or just a case of misidentifying everyday objects. Cryptozoology is a field that studies hidden or unknown animals. It's embraced the Loch Ness Monster, which has really fueled popular interest and speculation. Nessie is still a captivating symbol of the unknown. She's a subject of folklore and fascination that continues to inspire stories and theories about what might lie beneath the surface of Loch Ness.